Impressive introductory lines for IELTS essay topics. First topic is tourism. You can write, in the global economy, tourism is one of the most noticeable and growing sector. Second is women empowerment. Women empowerment refers to increasing and improving the social, economic, political and legal strength of the women to ensure equal rights to them. Human rights. Human rights have great significance in today's time as these ensure the protection of fundamental equality, dignity and beliefs of humans. Next is child labor. For that you can write, children are being exploited through child labor globally and it interferes with their mental, physical and social development. Next is space research. Space research supports the innovations made in outer space with the help of science and technology to bring economic growth and prosperity on Earth. Time management. Time management refers to the process of wisely planning and execution of tasks to get the maximum benefits. Brain drain. Brain drain is the term indicating the exponential departure of qualified people from developing countries to developed ones. Social evils. The social evils dominated the society over the centuries and made social reforms imperative for the development. Next is telecommuting. Telecommuting is getting immensely popular where people work from home using modern technology such as internet and computers. Then euthanasia, meaning mercy killing. Mercy killing is a practice allowing a person to have voluntary death to get relieved from pain of an incurable illness. Then influence of media. Media influences our beliefs, thought patterns and perceptions tremendously and can reinforce and manipulate the existing ones. Next is corporal punishment. Corporal punishment hinders the development of the full potential of the children by causing several psychological harms to them. Next is advertisement and marketing. Marketing and advertising comprise a pivotal role to assist businesses in establishing their better relationships with the customers. Next is unemployment. Unemployment causes workers to suffer financial hardship that impacts families, relationships, and communities. Next is parenting. Parenting is an art which could be only learnt by having a deep emotional, psychological, and behavioral understanding of a child's mind. Next is gender bias. Discrimination against women or men based on gender is completely a condemnable practice. Technology. Over the years, technology has revolutionized our world and daily lives, which has paved the way for better and more comfortable lives of the people. Thank you.